Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. I want to share with you 3 tips today that will help you become a better investor. Tip number 1, always have cash to deploy when markets are cheap. We often find that people put all of their money into the market, what they call it front loading, into the market with all their money into a certain number of businesses. And then the market gets cheap, the market sells off, and unfortunately, those people are left wanting to sell their positions because they're not sure what to do. If you can have some money on the sidelines ready to deploy into financial markets when things get 20, 30, 40, and in the case of very occasionally 50% off, like we saw in 2001 with the dot-com bubble, 2008, and a 40% decline on the NASDAQ in 2020, that's a wonderful opportunity for you to make a lot of money. So always have cash to deploy when markets are cheap. The second tip is extreme patience. You know, today's society is so full of instant gratification. We want it right now. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. We send an email, we want to reply. We send a text message, we want to reply. We can book an international travel holiday in a few minutes. Everything is about instant gratification. And a lot of this has come around because of derivative markets and leverage. All you need to have is some genuine patience and let the businesses that you own mature and let the earnings grow, and you're going to do exceptionally well over time. But when you look back at all the great investors, it doesn't matter who it is, Sir John Templeton, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Joel Greenblatt, they'll all tell you the key to their success was extreme patience. And the final tip, and I think really the most important tip, is invest within your circle of competence. People that lose money in the stock market don't know what they own. And every time price goes down, they want to sell because they don't have any confidence in the business. Stay within your circle of competence. Invest within your circle of competence. If you don't understand an industry, you don't understand a business, you're not prepared to tell a little story about the business and why you're going to own it. In fact, I think one of the great tips that Warren Buffett gives is whenever you're going to buy a business, write down on a piece of paper, I am buying this business because. Stay within your circle of competence. So, those 3 tips again. Number 1, always have cash to deploy when markets are cheap. Number 2, extreme patience. And number 3, make sure you invest in your circle of competence. It's going to be a gorgeous sunrise this morning. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. See you next time.